Honestly, it can be frustrating, and sometimes you even start to wonder, is this even worth it? If you're watching this right now, chances are you've been struggling with your YouTube channel. Maybe you've been stuck at 50 subscribers for what feels like forever. Maybe you finally hit 200, but suddenly your growth just stopped. Or maybe you've been uploading video after video, pouring hours of your life into editing, but nothing seems to work. Or should I say, what I face when trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers, which was losing subscribers every day, even a lot of effort. I know how that feels. Honestly, it can be frustrating, and sometimes you even start to wonder, is this even worth it? But let me tell you something, you're not alone. I've been in that exact spot. When I first started, it felt impossible just to break past 1,000 subscribers. I remember refreshing my analytics every day, hoping to see a spike, but I was losing like 1 to 5 subscribers on a daily basis due to sub for sub, which I will get into shortly. It took me months of trial and error, late nights, and failed ideas. But here's the good news. I finally cracked it. And I did it. I even repeated the process on a friend's channel, and it works. She reached 1,000 subs in 19 days and 12 hours. So, I know what works. And in this video, I want to share the 4 lessons that changed everything for me. Lessons that can help you finally hit that first 1,000 too. Tip 1. Don't buy subscribers. I get it. When you're desperate to grow, buying subscribers sounds like the fastest shortcut. You've probably seen offers online. 1,000 subscribers for just $5. Tempting, right? But here's the harsh truth. It will destroy your channel, and you might eventually lose those subs after getting them. YouTube might even remove those subscribers as due to fake subscribers on your channel. Most of those subs are fake accounts or bots. They don't watch your videos, they don't comment, and they don't share. And because of that, your engagement rate tanks. YouTube looks at your numbers and says, people aren't interested in this content. And then it stops recommending your videos to real people. Healthy channels usually have engagement rates of 3 to 10%. Fake subscriber channels, sometimes less than 1%. I've literally seen creators with over 100,000 subscribers struggling to get 200 views per video. That's painful. Now, if you really want to spend money, there is a safer way. You can run ads directly through YouTube Studio. That way, your videos get shown to real people. But keep in mind, even those subscribers may not stick around for long because they didn't discover you naturally. The best path, the one that lasts, is still organic growth. Create content that solves problems, answers questions, or entertains in a way that makes people want to hit that subscribe button. Tip 2. Pick a niche. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is jumping all over the place. One week you're uploading gaming videos, the next week it's cooking, then suddenly it's tech reviews. The problem? YouTube doesn't know who your audience is, and neither do your viewers. Imagine someone subscribed because of your gaming content. Then your next video is about cooking pasta. They don't care, they won't click, and YouTube will assume your content isn't engaging. When you're starting out, pick a general niche, something you're willing to stick with for at least a year. For example, my very first niche was mobile photo editing. Under that umbrella, I talked about Lightroom, PixArt, AI photo editing, and even PNG file for photo editing. They were different topics, but all tied back to the same theme. If someone liked one video, there was a good chance they'd watch the others too. But here's the beautiful part. If your first idea doesn't work out, you can pivot. Because at the end of the day, you are the niche. Your voice, your style, your perspective, that's what people connect to. Once you find the topic that clicks with your audience, that's when you double down. Tip 3. Use smart engagement tricks, but time them right. When your channel is small, every single subscriber matters. That's why you need to ask for the subscribe, but at the right time. Here's when. Right after your intro. That's the moment people are most engaged. That's when you say something like, if you want more tips like this, hit subscribe right now. It helps the channel grow and keeps you from missing the next video. But once your channel hits around 10,000 to 15,000 subs, dial it back. Constantly begging people to subscribe at that stage can feel annoying. The same goes for replying to comments. In the beginning, reply to as many as you can. Show your audience you care and you'll build a loyal community. But as your channel grows, it becomes overwhelming. That's when you can use tools like vidIQ to help you respond quickly without losing the personal touch. And here's a little hack. Try replying to comments immediately after uploading a new video. It creates a burst of engagement right when YouTube is testing your video with new viewers. That early boost can make a huge difference. Tip 4. Focus on ideas first. If there's one lesson you remember from this video, let it be this. Your video idea is everything. Think of YouTube like running a restaurant. You can have the best food in the world, but if your restaurant is right next to a giant buffet, nobody's hungry. On YouTube, that's like copying oversaturated video ideas from huge creators. On the flip side, if your restaurant is in the middle of the desert, there are no customers. That's like making videos on topics nobody is searching for. The sweet spot? High demand plus low supply. That's where you want to be. Imagine selling Hand Me a Burger outside a busy bar at 1 a.m. Everyone's hungry, there aren't many options, and even if your Hand Me a Burger aren't amazing, you'll still sell out. The most of case, find video ideas that people are craving but can't get enough of. Even with low video editing, as long as it's informative and it's what they need, they will watch. Once you've nailed the idea, polish your title, thumbnail, and intro. That's the marketing that gets people to click. Post consistently and the subscribers will come. The first 1,000 subs are always the hardest, but once you break through that wall, growth gets so much easier. So don't give up, keep experimenting, keep learning, and remember, you are the niche. If this video helped you, drop a like,